GerMed provides a small animal atraumatic dental extraction kit, which includes 11 pieces. This kit consists of a set of 2 periotomes in a variety of lengths, angles, and in double or single-ended. Periotomes are used in dental extraction procedures to cut gingival before any separation may be done between the tooth and the PDL. The small animal atraumatic extraction kit features the periotomes with a 0.5 millimeter blade with straight and curved angles, a thin blade measuring in 0.5 millimeters with micro serrations to separate gingival, a set of 7 luxating elevators with micro serrations to separate the PDL. This set includes 2 luxating elevators with micro serrations, which measure in 2 millimeters, one in straight, the other in curved. 2 forward angle luxating elevators with micro serrations, measuring in 2 millimeters and 4 millimeters. 2 backward angle luxating elevators with micro serrations, measuring in 2 millimeters and 4 millimeters. A spade root pick for deep pockets. The spade root includes a delicate, narrow, and cross-serrated tip for aggressive gripping and deep penetration to the bone. GerMed offers atraumatic extraction forceps with delicate, narrow, and cross-serrated tips in order to achieve gripping and deep penetration to the bone. For more information, call, email, or visit our website.